Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to get started managing your design tokens using the designtokens.io platform and how to real-time sync your tokens into Figma. Let's get started by creating some design tokens. I'm going to have color token first, give it an appropriate name and value. This will be a primary color of our theme. And since I'm going to show you how to create a simple button, our component token will be called button primary color background. Let's switch over to Figma and create our actual button. I'm going to call this sign up. Next up, I'm going to open our designtokens.io Figma plugin. And if you take a look at the local variables, we can see that the button primary color background component token has already been synced to Figma and imported as a Figma variable. We can now use it in our designs. This is what we're going to do. We're going to set the fill color of the button to button primary color background. Now, this was easy. Let's take it one step further by creating a second theme. I'm going to call this dark theme. And as we can see, our component tokens are automatically shared between all of our themes. This ensures maximum consistency between all of them. I'm going to choose a different color for our dark theme. This one will also be called primary on a semantic level. And if we switch back to Figma, we can see that the dark theme is now available in the themes list. And if we select it, we can see that the button changes accordingly. We can now switch between the themes and look at our design in both of them. Now, keep in mind that design tokens are not just about color, but also used for typography, spacing, and so on. And using designtokens.io, you can export your tokens not just to Figma, but also to all of your other design and development tools using JSON, CSS, and other formats.